Actually, we call that water goblet. May like that. May handle. So, being put on top of the glass, the water goblet. And then, yung dalawang, the index finger and the thumb should be around. Okay. So you will have to shake. There's any cut or wine.
Yes.
And there are some
Let's go see
ice cubes. It's the flower. Okay. Another one later on, we have flowers that is being put on. Okay. That is the last one. May pahampalapat yun. Mamaya makikita natin. May mga umbok-umbok din yun.